Hi everyone, I'm from Regrob.com and in today's video we are at Kumar Princetown Royale project which is located in Jalahalli, Bangalore. So here we are giving you the exterior view of tower. This is the visitors parking area. And now we are moving towards the entrance lounge. And here you can see a sitting area for visitors and reception. This is the kids play area. And now we are moving towards the library. So this is the library. And here is the gymnasium. And this is the backside view of project. Here is the swimming pool. And this is the party hall for various functions. This is the serving counter with pantry. And now we'll give you the interior view of 3 BHK sample flat. So here we go. So friends, this we have entered into the spacious living room. And here is the sit out area. And this we are giving you the view from 16th floor. Here comes the kitchen area. And here is the separate utility area. Now moving next. Here is a common washroom of this flat. And this we have entered into the kids' bedroom. Here comes the master bedroom, the spacious master bedroom, having an attached washroom, as here you can see. And this is the view of third bedroom. So friends, in this video we have given you the interior view of a 3 BHK sample flat. Thank you friends for watching the video. For more fresh real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for site visit and queries, you can call us at the number given in the description. Thank you.